Good day, everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about how to earn money using or by doing crypto trading. All right. So last time, I discussed some of the basic things in Binance, which is how to create your account, how to verify your account, and how to secure your account. Okay. And also, we talk about the simplest way, the P2P trading, how to cash in, and also how to trade in the easiest way. Okay, the easiest way to trade is Binance Convert. So I already discussed that matter. Now let's proceed to our next discussion, which is how to earn money. Okay, using or by doing crypto trading. First of all, I just want to share with you my wallet. So Payat and Ispat. So I'm going to share how much I earned using or by doing crypto trading. All right. So Payat and Ispat. Actually, I have $415. Okay, for my current balance, $415. It was only started around 2 weeks ago when I just invested for about $250. Okay, which is equivalent to around 14,000 Philippine peso. Okay, so Philippine peso 14,000 Philippine peso, which is $250. Okay, so now after 2 weeks, I have here my updated balance, which is 415. If we're going to subtract 415 to 250, that's around like 165, something like that, if I'm not mistaken. So 165 or $160. If we're going to compute it, 450 minus 250. 165. Okay, so I gained $165 in the span of 2 weeks. Okay, but before anything else, so where that money come from? That $250. Actually, it was the earnings I got from online games. I never invest my money on crypto trading using my income or my salary, monthly salary. Okay, at university as instructor. Okay, I never do that. I never invest my money. Okay, using my monthly salary. Okay, to crypto trading. I just invested money. Okay, in which I know that it was comes from other platforms of earnings. Okay, actually I played online games. Okay, and I earned $250 in almost a year. So can you imagine? I just only earned $250 or 14,000 pesos in almost a year. Okay, just by playing games. Okay, so and then I just invested it here all in, and now it grows up to $415 after 2 weeks. Okay, now how does it works? I mean, how do I manage to gain that amount of $160 in the span of 2 weeks? That is a question. That is the question. Okay, so in doing that, of course, what I do is when I just starting using Binance, of course, I do trading method, which is Binance Convert. And then later on, okay, this is what I do, which is the commonly method of trading, which is what we call spot trading. Okay, so in here, let's click it. Okay, spot trading. How does it works? Okay, spot trading. So in here, we'll just have to wait for a while, okay, to load. Now, what I do is, of course, my way of earning here is um, kind of strategy, okay, in which I have to wait for a certain moments, okay, before I sell my crypto. In doing that, the fundamental rule in crypto is to buy low, then sell high. Okay. By the way, you should invest what you can afford to lose because crypto trading is actually a very risky thing, okay, to do. That is why I invested only my earnings by playing games, okay, for the sake of uh, earning, let's say, $250 and investing it here solely. Solely. Okay? So because I'm thinking that I would want to invest what I can afford to lose. I don't want to stake or to have that risky moments of spending my earnings, okay, at university being an instructor or my monthly salary. Okay? So I will never do that. I will just only invest, okay, from my earnings through online games, okay, and put it there on my investment at crypto. Now, and what you're going to do is, like what I have said before, you must consider the fundamental rule in crypto trading, which is to buy low, sell high. So what I do here is this has some time frames or intervals, okay, when trading. So it's depend on you. Okay, so if you are a short-term trader or long-term trader, if you set it to 1 minute or 3 minutes or 5 minutes, etc., or even few days, it depends on you. Okay, so there are some other traders that would want to profit in a very short period of time. Okay, and what they do is just wait for 15 minutes. Okay, trading for that time frame. Okay, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour or few hours, just like that. Okay, so depends on you on what style of trader are you. Okay, but in my case, I'm a type of trader which set my intervals for around few days, like 3 days. Okay, 3 days or 2 days, so just like that. And there are other type of trader which is what we call the long-term trader, in which they'll just have to wait for few months or even a year. Okay, they invest their money, then just like what we call the hodl or holder. Okay, in which they just wait for a long period of time. Okay, before they sell their crypto balance. Okay, so in my case, I must consider, or I should say, or I would say that I am a short time trader, but it depends on the season. Okay, there are times that in the span of 1 week or two, okay, it has some of the worst scenario in which the prices or the trends is have a consistent downtrends. Okay, so yeah, you must consider that thing. And also, aside from looking at the trends, it is really important for you to do your own research. Okay, that is the most important thing, okay, to do aside from looking or seeing the pattern of the trends that you see on the graph. Okay, so you should research, do your own research, because there are times that let's say, for example, a particular government organization related to that, okay, in some powerful country would have a great effect of the prices movement, okay, in crypto. Okay, not just in crypto, but also in the stock market and related to other way of trading, okay, and the market as a whole. Now, let's proceed to this way of analyzing or trading your crypto into another crypto. First is you should look on these two panels. So these panels is actually the buyer, the green in color, and the seller, the red in color. These are the traders who would want to buy for that amount or the price, okay, of BTC of just like that, 19,138, 39, 37, it depends. They are willing to buy for that price value of BTC, okay? So the same thing here, these are the traders that would want to sell their crypto, okay, for that range or for that price value that they set, 19,148, 19,149 USDT. Okay. By the way, this is paired up with USDT from USDT to BTC, meaning to say the value would be like 1 BTC, okay? 1 BTC is equivalent to the current trends of, or the current price of 19,147 or 45 USDT. Okay, take note of that. 1 BTC is equivalent to 19,100 something USDT. All right, so that's it. So we use the USDT as the currency for exchange into another crypto, or it will be paired up with another crypto, okay, for doing the trading, okay? So USDT. USDT is, by the way, equivalent to USD or US dollars, okay? So that's it. Now, in this moment, we're going to take a look on this. So from what I remember, I invested my $400, okay, last 2 days ago, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, last 2 days ago. So I invested my $400. So in this particular candlestick trends, okay, in this line. So which mean I buy low and then I sell high, okay, in this period, okay. So from here to here, or nearly 18,000 in values at that time, last 2 days ago, okay, 18,000, okay. Then now it is around 19,000, okay. I sell it for that value, and therefore I gain profit for about $15. So that's how it works. That's how easy it looks like. Okay. So the thing you must do in trading is you need to do this, which is what we call spot trading. This is the actual way of trading. So first of all, we have here limit, market, and stop limit. But we are going to discuss the two basic terms, which is, it is actually the most commonly used, okay, when trading, limit and market. So in market, it was actually set based on the current trends we have right now. For example, if I'm going to pair it up with USDT to BTC, okay, then and this market under the spot trading, so it will depends on the current price we have right now, which is here at the center, okay, 19,155, around like that. So if I'm going to buy BTC, I have an option or several options here. If I want to make it 25% of my total 400 USDT, or 50%, or even 414, okay, 414 to be exact, my total USDT. Okay, if I'm going to do that, then it just means that at the value of 19,170, just like that, I buy BTC for that price value of BTC in exchange to the currency of USDT. All right, so I have all in my $414. Okay, so let's take for an example. If I buy this, it will going to appear here at the bottom, place order. Now I have to look on my order history. So it was already there. Okay, so for demonstration, I just bought worth $415 or $414. I all in all my USDT with a value of 19,167.67 USDT in BTC. Okay, so now that I already buy BTC for that value, okay, so let's take a look on this 19,168, okay, around like that. That is the price or the current price that I bought, okay, for the paired of USDT to BTC, and I all in my USDT of $414. So I buy through market, okay, through seeing this current price value, okay, basing on here. So what I'm going to do now is to make use of another way of spot trading, which is what we call the limit. So in limit, what we're going to do is, now that I buy some BTC, okay, so I can now, or I could be able to sell it, okay, through limit or even through market. It depends on you. But The difference between the two, the market and limit, is that the market has the basis of this current price value, whereas the limit depends on what you set on the price you want to get. Okay, so in here, let's take for an example. Okay, so I buy the price value of BTC 19,168. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want to sell it at higher price. Let's say, for example, I would want to make 19,173. Then the amount of BTC, I would want to all in my 415 USDT that I have. So it will going to go higher. So it is volatile. As you can see, the fluctuation, the movement of the price tends to have a strange amount of changes. Okay, so let's say, for example, I'm going to sell BTC, and in here, limit sell order created, in which I set the price on that 19, and there you have it. It was filled, okay, in just a few seconds, and therefore I gain profit maybe like $1, something like that. Okay, so in here, limit, it was automatically set or automatically buy or automatically sell, whereas in market, it is based on the current price value, just like that. Okay, so that's how easy it works. So limit is actually the very common way of trading under the spot trading, in which if you would like to buy crypto, so it depends on you how you would want to set it. Okay, depends on you. But of course, you have to consider the fundamental rule, which is you have to buy the very low price or the low price at that moment, and then after waiting for about few days or even few hours or even few minutes, it will automatically sold. Okay, when you, I mean, it was automatically have your balance, okay, to be buy on that value, okay, because you're buying BTC. Okay, so it's just going to wait for that price that you set that you want. Okay, so and then the same thing on selling, just like what I did while ago, in which I set it to 19,175. The first thing I do is I set it, I buy BTC for the price value of 19,167. Then now I sell it to 19,175. So I actually gain a profit of actually $0.3, okay, not $1, $0.30, not $1, just like that. So that's it. Okay, that's how simple it works. So I hope you learned something new from this. So thank you for listening. God bless and have a nice day.